This is a 2021 Charger, wide body. That's that model right there, which I first built that one. But then I got 3D printed fender flares for it to widen the stance. And also the hood comes with a 3D printed hood, so the hood is different, as you could tell. I botched this one pretty bad. Went to the auto parts store and I used actual automotive body filler. You got to put the time in for it. I didn't do that with this one. The hood didn't fit, so I cut it and broke it. Had to use the original parts. So that's the 2020 Charger. The fenders are quite a bit wider, so I had to widen the wheels to accommodate. Otherwise, the wheels were recessed in because you can't use the same wheelbase as that one. So that's a 2021 Charger, wide body. They're three-dimensionally printed parts. They break easy. Not my best work, but it's a good start. I may try it again.